right, let's go with Prism. One thing I really like about this Prism synth is the textures of the sounds. And to be honest, I'm not that sure how the synth works. I've tried to learn it, but I don't quite understand it yet. So what I did was I just went through all of the presets, which I'm not ashamed to admit that I use presets like some people. But yeah, I went through the presets and just saved some of my favorites, and I just have this handful, but they're just so expressive that I don't feel like I need more at the moment. Let me just put it on. Sounds like a nice starting point. So I think those three notes are really good. Okay, so what we're going to do now is over here in the send, up here, this is send A. What it's going to do is it's going to send the signal from Prism over here to my delay on send A. So you'll notice a noticeable difference. What we're going to do now, let me just select Prism. And this is the dry sound. So as you can see, what I'm doing is I'm sort of fading in the sound and fading it out again, which doesn't sound that good as it is. But once I turn up the send to the delay, it makes it sound a lot cooler. So check it out. Hear that tail? So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So let me go back and play this beginning. Okay, so let's just record this. Here we go. 2, 3, 4.